Good morning, children. We continue with exercise 14.2. First main till 6th one we have completed. Now let's continue with 7th one. It is L plus M bracket square minus 4LM. We have to factorize this expression. By observation, we cannot find any common factor between these two terms. We will expand the first term. It is L plus M bracket square is equal to L square plus 2LM plus M square minus 4LM, because A plus B bracket square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is the identity we have learned. By this, 2LM and 4LM are like terms. By solving them, we will get L square minus 2LM plus M square. Is this not in the form L minus M bracket square? Why? Because A minus B bracket square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. This is the identity. These things you have to make a chart and keep on your table while studying, so that you can refer to the identities and you can remember them very easily. Here A is L, B is M, and it's of the form first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus the second term square. So we can directly write this as L minus M bracket square. Therefore, these are the required factors of the expression L plus 1 bracket square minus 4LM. This is how we factorize the expression of this form. Now, continuing, we will solve the 8th one. A raised to 4 plus 2A square B square plus B raised to 4. By observation, we see that this first term, that is A raised to 4, is equal to square of the term A square. Here, by multiplying A square, bracket square is A square into A square, we will get A square raised to 2. That is, A raised to 4 is the square of A raised to 2. Similarly, B raised to 4 is the factor square of B square. Therefore, we can directly write this as A square plus B square bracket square, because A square first term, its square, plus 2 into first term into second term plus the second term square, like B raised to 4 is equal to B square bracket square. So, therefore, these are the required factors. We will go to second main. Factorize first one, 4p square minus 9q square. By observation, we see that the first term, 4p square, is the square of 2p bracket square, is the square of 2p. We can write it as 2p bracket square, because 2p, if you square it, you will get 2p into 2p is equal to 2 into 2 is 4, p into p is p square. And similarly, 9q square is 3q bracket square. Is it not in the form A square minus B square? What are the factors? Do you remember? A square minus B square is equal to A plus B in one bracket. In another bracket, A minus B. This is also an identity. This is equal to 2p plus 3q, 2p minus 3q in two separate brackets. These are the factors of this given expression. 63a square minus 112b square. a is in the form a square, and the variable b is in the form b square. What about 63 and 112? Are they squares? No. And can you observe that 3 is the common factor in these two? We'll take it out. This is equal to 3 into bracket 21 a square minus 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. This is equal to and we have 21 is not square of any number, and 34 is also not a square of any number. Therefore, the factors are b square. These are the factors.